Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for, what is this, October of 2024. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this month's box, the variation that I got was $197 worth of products. Let's go ahead and see everything that comes in here. And I did get 2 add-ons. Hopefully I can remember what I added on. So this is the little card that came in here this month, and it'll just tell you about some of the products that are in here, or like spoilers of things to come. Okay, so the first thing is this right here. I think this was an add-on. No, this was not an add-on. This is like some lotion. It's not open. I've actually been using a lot of things from this brand, and most of the stuff I've actually got from my BoxyCharm. But this is an Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for dry, patch skin, safe for sensitive skin. I use their face wash, and I love that stuff. So I figured, why not try this out and see how it works? I may have even gotten some eye serum that I've not opened yet, but I'm really excited to try this out. So great, especially if you're using like hyaluronic acid, it really dries out your skin. And this, like, just to have a really nice, good moisturizer is like something that everybody needs. So that's the first thing that I got. Next thing is this right here. And this is Green Glow Up Cream. What is it though? So this is just like another face cream. I don't believe that I said that I wanted this. This is probably one of the ones that they picked for me. That's what it was. It was like one of the things that they automatically picked, because I was like, I know I didn't pick this out. But 2 face creams, you can't beat that. Really good. That's why I love BoxyCharm, because I'm like just constantly smothering my skin in these creams because I get so many. Like, you can get away with doing that. Next thing is this right here. And this is by Ciate London, and it is Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint in the shade 020. I don't think they ever let me really pick my shades on this. They kind of pick it for me. This is what it looks like. I really like that packaging. Ciate really has a lot of stuff like that. I will go ahead and open this because I will try this out. So it's a skin tint. It looks really, really light. I think they do that. Like, most of the time I get stuff that's like way too light for me. Yeah, that's like concealer status, which actually wouldn't make a bad concealer because it is very creamy. You can see. But if I was to put that over my skin, that would be really white. But if I was to put like a skin tint all over my face and then use something like this just to brighten up like these areas, I think that'd be really pretty. It feels really nice. Feels very hydrating. Like, not something like if you were to use it under your eyes, it's not going to dry out, which is very important with older skin like mine. So that was the next thing that I got. So far, I love everything that I've gotten. There's this thing right here, which this is a body lotion by Franken Body. I love this brand. They actually have some coffee body scrub that's amazing, but I do have to say, you will find coffee grounds in your showers for months. Like, it is so hard to get all that coffee all those coffee grinds out of your shower. Let me go ahead and see what this smells like. And this is made with lactic and I can't even say that. Glycolic acid to exfoliate and hydrate at the same time. Let's put some of this on. So it smells very light. And what I love about BoxyCharm is everything, you can see, full-size item. Ooh, this is like a very nice, rich feeling lotion. This is going to be great for wintertime. Like, as the season changes, like, my skin usually dries out. It smells really good. Just really fresh. It really doesn't have like a strong fragrance. Kind of smells like Pond's lotion, like that face lotion, just very natural, just slightly scented, but like a fresh scent, like something that most people would like. Next thing, I think this one was This may have been an add-on. It is by that brand right there. Right there. But the shade is Modern Love Cream. Go ahead and see what this looks like. So what it looks like, ooh. So that looks like it's going to be really pretty. It kind of reminds me of like those Tarte lipsticks that are like in the same things like this. Like it's going to look like that. I already have lipstick on. I can kind of go over this. Made it a little more pinky. So not a bad shade. I will definitely be using this. Next thing is this thing right here. Fake Awake. This must have been an add-on, and I did not know it was that small. Like, that's all you're getting. This was probably $3.50. That's redonkulous. Like, that's a little bit. But this is, you're supposed to put it like on your waterline, and it's supposed to make your eyes look super bright. But that's kind of expensive considering that it's such a small thing, and probably the full size is probably around 20 bucks. So $3 something for that little bit that's a lot of money. Last thing that's in the box is this right here, which is a Tarte blush. So I'm wondering what I'm thinking these two are the things that I added on, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look. So it's this right here, and this is a Tarte blush tape in the shade. I don't think it shows the shade right there. So just pink. That's the box says pink. So you turn it and then you'll squeeze it. I can see a little bit of the color peeking through. Then you turn it off. And so that's what it's going to look like. So it's going to be a very like shiny, like almost like the NARS blushes, but they're powder. This one's going to be liquid, so it's just going to give you like a dewy look. So that's really pretty. So that's everything that I received in this month's box. I'm actually happy with everything. The only thing that I would say is a downside, but I'm really excited to use, is this little thing right here. I didn't know it was like such a small size. I'm so used to getting full size stuff in here. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.